Recently restored to its former glory after the devastating fire in 2019, the Notre Dame de Paris has been given a renewed lease on life. As I look back on the paintings I've created this year, I realized I've never captured this iconic cathedral, and perhaps it's time to change that. Hi there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. With the new year on the horizon, I thought what better way to welcome 2025 than by creating a dip pen ink and wash painting of this iconic masterpiece. Initially, I had this grand idea of drawing all the famous landmarks of Paris in one composition: the Notre Dame, the Eiffel Tower, the Sacred Heart Basilica, etc. But as I sketched, it quickly became too busy. It took the spotlight away from the cathedral, which was supposed to be the star of the show. So I had to simplify. And the final composition pairs the Notre Dame with Eiffel Tower, perhaps the most recognizable icon of Paris. To me, the scene feels more balanced, less busy, and the focus remains on the cathedral. As we approach the end of the year, many people are setting their New Year's resolutions. I used to do the same, writing a list of ambitious goals only to abandon most of them by February. These days, I take a different approach. Instead of resolutions, I set specific goals such as things I'd like to explore and improve. It is more manageable and more achievable for me. In 2025, I plan to explore figure drawing and art history, which I believe will help me tell richer stories through my architectural paintings. On the technical note, I'm determined to improve my pen hatching techniques to enhance the range of expressions I can have with ink. I also want to master using masking fluid in watercolors to make my paintings truly glow with light. And of course, I would love to create better quality videos explaining my artistic process more clearly. Instead of using only black Indian ink, which is my usual go-to, I chose to draw the Eiffel Tower in the ochre-toned Burmese amber ink. I like the contrast of the warm tone with the black lines of the cathedral, while still letting Notre Dame shine as the centerpiece. Using different inks really adds something unique to this piece, and I'm excited to keep experimenting in the coming year. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey today. I hope the year ahead brings you inspiration, joy, and success in all your endeavors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future art adventures. Wishing you a happy and prosperous new year, and I'll see you in the next video.